Number 1. 1989 Oldsmobile Classic Station Wagon, $2,850, Santa Rosa, California. This 1989 Oldsmobile Custom Cruiser is a clean last-generation American wagon with an 8-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. The odometer shows 145,000 miles, noted as rolled over. Most chrome trim was removed for a smoother look, and it rides on Kragar wheels with Goodrich TA tires. The body is rust-free with a well-kept interior and headliner. The air conditioning is not working, but the car runs well and includes extra parts. Its black and red finish draws attention and nostalgic reactions. Number 2. 1989 Buick Riviera, $5,000, Irvine, California. This 1989 Buick Riviera, with a 3.8-liter V6, shows 117,000 miles and has been well cared for. The pearl paint and leather interior present nicely, though the front seat does not match the rear. It drives smoothly with no warning lights, and all accessories function. The air conditioning works, but may need additional Freon. As a clean personal luxury coupe, it reflects Buick's late 80s quality. (1973) Ford Maverick V8 Swap, Bremerton, Washington. This 1973 Ford Maverick Coupe has been upgraded with a 1968 302 cubic inch V8 featuring a Holley carburetor, Edelbrock intake, HEI ignition, and a C4 automatic transmission. The exhaust from the Y-pipe back needs finishing, but parts are included. Originally a 6-cylinder car, it uses a proper swap kit. With 169,000 miles, it is a strong base for an affordable muscle-style build. Number 4. 1985 Mercedes Turbo Diesel Wagon, W123, $2,000, Arroyo Grande, California. This 1985 Mercedes-Benz W123 Turbo Diesel Wagon is offered as a project or parts car. The engine runs, and the odometer shows 277,587 miles. It has the durable 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine, rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Even in project form, W123 wagons remain valuable for restoration or donor use. Number 5. 1975 Mercury Comet, $3,800, Ontario, Oregon. This 1975 Mercury Comet 2-door coupe shows 41,000 miles and carries a clean title. Powered by an inline 6-cylinder and an automatic transmission, it runs and drives well. As a simple, honest survivor that shares parts with the Ford Maverick, it offers an easy entry into vintage American driving. Number 6. 1960 Oldsmobile Super 88, $3,500, Lake Brownwood, Texas. This 1960 Oldsmobile Super 88 2-door hardtop retains its original 394 cubic inch rocket V8 and rare factory air conditioning, though not tested. Showing 74,317 miles, it includes all major chrome pieces in good condition. Rust is present in typical areas, and the engine has not been turned over. Sold with a bill of sale only, It suits a patina build, full restoration, or parts use. Number 7. 1955 Dodge Royal Super Red Ram Hemi, $3,500, Pasco, Washington. This 1955 Dodge Royal features the desirable Super Red Ram Hemi V8 and shows 89,214 miles. It starts easily, runs quietly, and shifts properly, though it needs brake work. The body is solid with clean glass. As a complete, running mid-50s Hemi car, it offers excellent project potential. Number 8. 1946 Oldsmobile Series 76, $19,200, Sheboygan area, Wisconsin. This 1946 Oldsmobile Series 76 is a well-preserved first-year post-war model with a flathead 6-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and 83,000 miles. Its black paint and overall condition are impressive for its age, making it a notable survivor from the late 1940s. Number 9. 1951 Ford Custom Convertible, $7,500, Redmond, Oregon. This 1951 Ford Custom Convertible shows 13,000 miles and has been fully restored to original specifications. Finished in yellow with a flathead V8 and manual transmission, it presents very well and carries a clean title. Listed through a Hemmings auction, it should draw strong interest. Number 10. 1962 Chevrolet Impala, $6,500, Olympia, Washington. This 1962 Chevrolet Impala 4-door hardtop is mostly stock with updates including a 1-wire alternator and LED headlights. It uses a 283 cubic inch V8 and a Power Glide automatic. With 100,000 miles and a broken odometer, it remains a solid running driver. Some bodywork is needed, and it includes both stock wheels and optional 20s. Number 11. 1978 Pontiac Espirit Redbird Edition, $3,900, Bruceville, Texas. This 1978 Pontiac Espirit Redbird Edition features a 350 cubic inch V8 rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. A one-owner, all-original car, it sat covered for many years. The engine turns and the car is complete, making it a strong restoration candidate. Redbird models are increasingly collectible. Number 12. 1973 Datsun 240Z, $7,800, Tucson, Arizona. This 1973 Datsun 240Z is a running and driving project with an L28 six-cylinder engine and twin 40 DCOE carburetors. It uses an airbag suspension system with one compressor currently active. Both the interior and exterior need cosmetic work, but most parts are included. As a clean-titled 240Z, it offers a solid base for restoration or custom work. Number 13. 1981 Ford Thunderbird Town Landau, $7,900, Melrose Park, Illinois. This 1981 Ford Thunderbird Town Landau shows 72,711 miles and features a 4.2-liter V8 with an automatic transmission. The red interior and exterior are in excellent shape, and all accessories, including air conditioning, function properly. Garage kept since 2023, it stands as a clean and original 8th-generation Thunderbird.